Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW 24 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-magdi.com, www.dayprotraders.com. Alright? The title of this video is how to day trade on a 30-minute chart using the RSI indicator. Alright? So this is a continuation of part 2. So if you have not watched part 1, part 2, you may do so to understand what we are doing here. All right. So in the first part, we are looking for a low followed by a higher low and a higher high. Prior retesting the trend line. Okay. We have seen one scenario here when the price was retesting the trend line. When the price retesting the trend line, the RSI also was oversold, but the price break through it. All right. It break through the trend line. To avoid this trading mistake, we must use what we call the trading drill. Let's continue. This time, we don't want to stack on the 30-minute chart. We want to look on a higher time frame because a common trading mistake is to make a trading decision, okay, completely on one time frame. Is wrong and wrong and wrong. One must always apply different time frame to see the bigger picture. All right. So in the second part, we say that if the price is out of the first channel, we will project it, okay, the channel to the downside, and we want to remember the median line, okay? Because if you want to give priority to bullish signal, we must look for hotspot trading zone. By projecting the channel and drawing the median line, we are able to detect the hotspot trading zones. In this third part, I want to go to the 4-hour chart. Why? Because if I want to buy, okay, I'm on the 30-minute chart, I want to buy at a value resistance level. I want to buy at a value support level. All right? You want to buy at a support level. You want to sell at a value resistance level. So, because I'm on a 30-minute chart, I want to go at least, for instance, to the 2-hour chart, 4-hour chart, daily chart, okay, to find a better support and resistance level. Okay, so let's go now to the 2-hour chart to see whether the setup that we have seen on the 30-minute chart makes sense or not. All right, according to the higher time frame. So I'm going to the 2-hour chart, not hourly chart. Okay, very fast because these are short videos. I don't want to repeat myself. So I'm on the 2-hour chart now. You can see where we put the spot. These spots here, we have them on the 30-minute chart. The red one, that's where the signal did not work because the price was retesting the trend line, but break through it. The green one here, it did work when we were touching the median line, the green line, you remember, on the 30-minute chart. That's why I leave them here. Again, right here, it touched it here. You see this one here, also from the 30-minute chart, it worked here. The price touched it here. And when we want to see why we see this scenario. To avoid, okay, make a mistake, all right, we can come to the 2-hour chart and draw, okay, this key level. See here, there's price went up, change direction here. We draw it. This is the pink line here. See here, it hit this point, draw it, okay. So we were here. So we draw our trend line, we probably was touching it here. But you can see that if you see our trend line, it's a little bit above the pink line, yes or no. That's why the market prefer to retest the pink line instead of stopping exactly on the edge of the trend line. So use, okay, the support and the resistance of a higher time frame. Can be daily chart, can be 4-hour chart. Here I'm using 2-hour chart because a lot of traders are very new. So I say, okay, all right, you don't want to go see the daily chart, okay, 2-hour chart, okay. That's what I'm doing here. So you can see that there's a support below the trend line. So look for a support on a higher time frame. This will allow you to select the best place to enter a bullish trade. All right. So though this one did not work, the red one did not work, the RSI was oversold on the 30-minute chart, price was on the edge of the trend line. If you were using what we call the trading drill, you will avoid this mistake all the time. But again, use the key support on a higher time frame also to know where you are, okay? Price D below the pink line, return back above it. The second one, which is the green spot here, again on the 30-minute chart, this did work, was a successful signal. Why it was successful? The price was retesting the projected, the median line. You remember the green line? Okay, that's why you need to watch part 1 and part 2. The median line of the projected channel. But also look where we have the spot, okay? It's also on the edge of this support level on the 2-hour chart. You remember we draw a trend line like this, okay, on the 30-minute chart, and we say it must go the primary return above that trend line, okay? So the support levels on a higher time frame Okay, before switching to the 30-minute chart, we allow you to select the best support place where you can enter the trade. But the key to successful or consistent winning trade is the trading drill. You will see it when you apply it, top-down trading method, that, okay, it will help you. Do you see another green spot here? The price did work, it worked beautifully here. Why? Again, you see a break above. You see now this is this key level here, the high price went up, hit it, change direction. Price break above the second peak line, and then was retesting here. All right, was retesting here, and also was the edge of our second projected channel. Okay, so you see the second projected channel, it was retesting the edge, but also was on the edge of this trend line. You can see that there is a tail for this candle. What the price was doing here, the price was trying to hit the, you see this support here, this one here. All right, that's why it's doing all the time. You see here, it break a ball, retest, boom, up, break a ball, retest. But you see here, they push it down all the way here, all right? So since you hit this level, it's not displaying higher highs anymore. If the price fails to display higher high, it's telling that the bullish momentum, okay, is weakening, all right? All right, it makes sense? This is the end of this series of video about how to day trade on a 30-minute chart using the RSI indicator like the Pro, all right? There are more to this, but these are short videos focusing on what trade they need to pay attention to, okay? Do not use one single time frame, use different time frame, use the channel, do not violate the market patterns, all right? RSI oversold is pointing towards a support level, all right? RSI is overbought, is pointing to a resistance level, but if the price break above the resistance level and find a support, we can buy. If the RSI is oversold, does not mean always buy. If it breaks below the support level and find a resistance, we'll sell instead. Thank you for watching, okay? And I will speak to you very soon. We are the TSTW 24 traders talking about how to day trade on a 30-minute chart using the RSI indicator per trade. This is the end of this series of video, and I hope you have enjoyed. Speak to you soon.